Very good morning and warm welcome to my dear sweet little children. Welcome to digital learning. I'm sure you all are enjoying learning digitally. So keep on subscribing our channel. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it. And those who have subscribed the channel, thanks for subscribing. Please share the links and ask your friends, our school friends. Okay, it is only for our school, and it is only for our school students. Okay, so share the link and tell them to also subscribe the channel. Let's begin with our session 2. Today we are going to learn lesson number 24, The Laughing King. Subject English, Unit 3. Yesterday we saw this lesson part 1. Okay, there are 4 scenes and we have seen scene number 1. Okay, and now we are going to see the remaining scenes. I hope you all have enjoyed scene first yesterday, right? So now let's begin with scene 2. Page number 55 of your textbook. Scene 2. The palace. The king enters, still laughing. The queen, who has been looking for the king, comes to him with a plate full of cakes. Now we saw that he was magicked by a witch. King was magicked by witch and he was laughing. And laughing he entered from garden to his palace. And there the queen was looking for a king, and suddenly he enters a palace and she was having a plate full of cake in her hand. These cakes were baked by her. Now let's see what happens in this scene. Queen handing him the plate. Won't you taste these special cakes I baked for you? By the way, why are you laughing? What's funny, dear? Won't you tell me? Now the queen, she was searching him, and the king enters palace laughing. Okay, so the plate which was in her hand, she handed him that plate and she says that these special cakes I have baked for you. Then she asked, why you are laughing? What is so much funny happened in the garden? Please tell me also. Leonardo, ha ha ha, he went on laughing. He did not say what happened or whatever. Queen, getting annoyed. Annoyed means slightly angry. She's getting little angry. Stop laughing, dear. You will drop the plate. You won't stop. She says that now stop laughing. Enough is enough. And you may drop the plate also. And the same thing happens. The plate falls from the king's hand. Oh no! You have broken one of my best plates and dropped my special cakes. Now she gets very angry because her best plate is broken, and the cakes which she had baked for king, specially for him, he dropped them also. So now she gets angry with him and she starts crying. Now he is still Leonardo is still crying, still laughing. He went on laughing, he went on laughing. Let's see what happens next. Princess Cynthia comes and sees her father laugh and her mother cry. Now, princess means their daughter. She comes there. She sees that father is laughing and mother is crying. So she says, Father, we can hear your laugh all over the palace. But why are you laughing? And that too when mother is crying over her broken plate. Now this Cynthia is saying that entire palace we can hear that you are laughing loudly. But what makes you so much laugh? And you can see that mother is crying on her broken plate and still you are laughing. Leonard, he said, unable to control himself. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. He is not able to control because no one knows that he is magicked by witch. He's still laughing. He's not able to control his laugh. Cynthia, consoling her mother. Consoling means cheering up somebody when he or she is sad. Consoling means when cheering up someone when he or she is sad. So mother is sad, so she is trying to make her quiet. Never mind, Mama. I'll pick up the broken pieces and try to mend the plate. Starts collecting the pieces. Oh, I have cut my finger. Now she says to Mama, never mind, Mama. I'll pick up the broken pieces and I will try to mend means I will try to put your plate together. And she starts collecting the pieces. And what happens? She cut her finger. Leonard laughing louder. He starts laughing louder. Ha ha ho 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 ho. Cynthia staring at her father angrily. Staring means हम ऐसे गुस्से से देखते हैं ना. When we become very angry and we look at someone, that is staring. हम किसी को गुस्से से देखते हैं, that is staring. So she stares at her father angrily. Father, how can you laugh even when I have cut my finger? Now she says to father that I have cut my finger and still you are laughing. And she feels very bad and she also starts crying. Leonard, now ha ho ho ho. I should stop laughing. But I can't. Ha 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 ha. Let me go and consult my council of wise men. Ho ho ha 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 ha. They'll know what to do. Now Leonard, he also feels bad. He also understands that yes, I have to stop laughing. But he was not able to control his laugh. So he decides to go and consult. Consult means to go to somebody for information or advice. Consult means to go to somebody for information or advice. So he decides to go and consult his council of wise men. Council means a group of people who are elected to govern an area. Council means a group of people who are elected to govern an area. So he decides to go to them and take their piece of advice. Now he enters in scene 3. The wise men are holding a meeting with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom. King Ferdinand, the king enters the chamber followed by the attendants. Now when he enters that meeting room, council room, they were sitting with a ruler called King Ferdinand. He was a king of another kingdom, okay, and he was good friend of Leonard also. Now when this Leonard enters in chamber, means a hall in a public building that is used for formal meeting. Chamber means a hall in public building that is used for formal meetings. He goes there with his attendants. Means the king has guards, right? So he enters the chamber with his guards. Wise men, they were sitting there. Your Majesty, King Ferdinand has come with a complaint that thieves from our kingdom have stolen fruits from his orchard. Now this King Ferdinand, came with a complaint that the thieves means चोर, okay, जो लियोनार्ड के किंगडम के थे, they stole fruits from orchard of King Ferdinand. Orchard means the field of fruits is called orchard. Okay. Now Leonard, helplessly holding his sides and roaring with laughter. Ha ha ho ho. Now Leonard, he was trying to hold his laughter but was not so much successful. Ferdinand, in anger, he also becomes very angry. How dare you to laugh at my complaint? I will not put up my with this sort of insult. I will soon be back with my army. Now he becomes very angry that why you are laughing on my complaint? You are insulting me. Insulting means saying something rude to someone that makes that person upset. Okay, so he was insulted, he felt very insulted, so he challenges the Leonard that I will come back with my army. So Leonard, ha ha ha, don't get my don't go my friend, ho 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 ho, turning to his wise men, stop him wise men, ha ha ha, stop King Ferdinand. Now Leonard is trying to stop his friend. Okay, he turns to his wise men and says, "Stop him!" But his laugh, ha ha, ho ho ho, is not stopping. Okay, so wise man says, "But your majesty, what makes you laugh at this serious hour?" Now wise man is also trying to know why majesty means the king is respectively called as majesty. So he's asking what makes you laugh at this serious hour. This is a serious case. Let's see what happens further in scene 4. Yeah, before that there are two dialogues. Leonard, ha ha ha, sorry I can't help laughing, ha ha ha, ha, due to which Griselda's magic, ha 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 ha. Now Leonard, by laughing, he says that I cannot help my laughing because witch Griselda has done magic on me. Then wise man says, the witch magic? Well, let's all go to witch Griselda and request her to help the king. So wise man decides that we'll go to Griselda and we'll try to know from her also, and also request her to help the king. So now scene 4. The palace garden. The king enters with his wise men. They see the witch still sitting with a frown on her face. Frown means angry. Okay. She is now still sitting there, and wise man goes there to her. Wise man says, "Oh, witch Griselda, our dear king is sick of laughing. Please free him from the spell. Please leave her. Please release her." They go and request her. Griselda says, "No, no, 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 no. Why did he laugh at me when I fell into the puddle?" Wise men say, "Do forgive him, please." Now Griselda says, "No, no, I will not forgive him. I will not release him because he laughed on me when I into the puddle." Wise man says, "Please relieve him. Please forgive him." Leonard also says, trying to control his laughter, "I am sorry, witch Griselda. Ha ha ha. I hurt your feelings when I laughed at you when you fell into the puddle. But because of your spell, I hurt my wife's feeling and then my daughters and my friends by laughing at his misfortunes. Ha ha ha. I promise you I'll never laugh at others. Ha ha ha." Now Leonard understood his mistake. He says sorry to the witch. He says that I hurt your feelings when I laughed at you when you fell into the puddle. Okay, but because of your spell, means because of your curse, because of your magic, I have hurt my feelings of my wife, my daughter's feeling and my friend's feeling, and now I could understand that how we are felt hurt. Okay, my friend, he went through some misfortunes. Misfortunes mean the bad luck, means through a trouble or a problem, and still I was laughing at him and he felt very bad. Okay, so now I understood. So I promise that I will never laugh at others. Griselda says, since you are sorry about your behavior, I will give you one chance. But if you ever laugh at anyone's trouble, King Leonard, so she also accepts his sorry, and she says that now, okay, you are feeling very sorry about your behavior. I can give you one chance. But she also warns him, but see, if any other time I see you that you laugh at anyone at their troubles, then just see, she warns also. Leonard said, never, never again, ho 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 ho. And then Griselda, she says that magic says, Shung Mung Jung, back to your normal self, King Leonard. And she brings that King Leonard to his normal. Leonard says, at last I have stopped laughing. What a relief, thank you very much. Which Griselda, thank you. Now I will write a letter of apology to King Ferdinand. I'll get a set of new plates for my queen. Bring my daughter Cynthia. I'll stick a plaster on her poor finger. But first let me present a new dress to dear old witch Griselda. Now he is relieved from that, and he feels very nice when he was relieved from that magic. And he thanks Griselda, and he says that I will write an apology letter, means we write a sorry letter, okay, to his friend King Ferdinand, okay, and then he will bring set of new plates for his queen. He will put plaster on her daughter's finger, which was cut because of the broken plates, and before that he want to present a new dress to witch Griselda. And then all says 3 cheers for the king. So king has rectified his mistake. He understood his mistake, and he is ready to rectify his mistake. Dear children, from this lesson we learn that first of all we should not hurt anyone's feeling. Yes, though we don't do it purposely, but still if we hurt someone, it's very bad if they curse us. Okay, so first thing what you have to do is don't hurt anyone's feeling. By mistake it happens from you, then accept your mistake and say sorry. Apologize on your mistake. Say sorry, accept your mistake, and say sorry to the person whom you have hurt. So dear children, we don't do mistake purposely. It happens by mistake. But accepting your mistake and rectifying is a great job. So remember, if you do any kind of mistake, accept it and try to correct your mistake. Okay, so we have learned a very good lesson from King. We end our lesson here and session also. Meet you tomorrow in our next video. So till that, thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel. Keep sending your feedback. Meet you tomorrow. Bye.